Happy and energetic day, dear children. I welcome you back to the English Corner. I feel really immense pleasure to welcome you to the English experience, experiencing a small story, right? Shall we? What is this? By seeing this, can you able to understand what topic we are going to see? Before we are going into the lesson, this is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. He works very hard. Who works? The son works very hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and get some unexpected help. This is what is the outline of the story, right? Do you have any experience of helping your parents to fulfill their wishes, all that? If so, share it with me during live session, right? Shall we go into the lesson, dear? Yeah, again, lovable son. What is the topic? Name of the topic is Taro's Reward. What is it? Taro's Reward. Now, he is only an young woodcutter, okay, named Taro. He lived with his mother and father in a lonely hillside. Can you able to see the hill? Yeah, nearby hill, one small hut is there. He was living there, right? All day long, he used to chop woods in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. Okay, children, do you know what is the meaning of chop? Yes, you could have seen your mother chopping vegetables. What is the meaning, dear? Cut into pieces. Exactly. Meaning of chopped is cut into pieces. Now, who is young woodcutter? What is the name of the woodcutter? Fantastic. It was Taro. Right? What is he doing? He was trying to work hard. He is a woodcutter. He used to work hard, cut wood and try to earn money. But he got very little amount of money. Right? Is it clear? Shall we go into the next slide? Now, this made him very sad. See how he is crying. Assume this is Taro. Okay. He was crying a lot. And for he was a thoughtful son, right? He was a thoughtful son. Always he was thinking about his parents to fulfill his wishes. Right? Whose wishes? Father's wish. Parents' wish only. Every day he was working, not to fulfill his own needs. He never thought about fulfilling his own needs. He was not selfish, right? So whenever we are in our life, we are taking our own example, experiencing our own days, our own lives. Do you think we are doing something for our parents? No, first we will take care of ourselves. We are so selfish, isn't it? When somebody is giving you snacks, even mother is preparing snacks for you, what you will do? You will not give to your sisters, brothers, or siblings also. What you will do? First, you will fully eat and full your stomach has to be full. It's not at all a snack, it is like a dinner or a lunch, something like that. Your stomach is full, then you'll give some to your brothers. You'll not give to your parents at all. Most of the houses, I'm not saying all the houses, most of the houses this was happening, right? But here in this story, Taro was very soft, very thoughtful son. He was thinking about his old parents always and wished to fulfill all their needs. Okay, but why he was sad? He is earning very little. Okay, even though he is working very hard, he is earning very little. So this money, do you think this money is enough to fulfill the parents' wish? No, right? So that is the reason he was very sad. Is there any doubt in this slide? Is it clear, ma? So here you can see the parents. This is only Taro's parents. Right? Clear? Right. One evening, right, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of the hut, a strong wind in the sense, can you able to guess what is a strong wind? See here how strong it is, very strong, right? Strong wind began to blow. It whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly, Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. What is it, sake? But the spelling here is S-A-K-E. But the pronunciation, what I am saying is sake. Right? We will see that. It would warm me and do my old heart good. So if we are feeling very cool, can you able to recognize your heartbeat? How it will be? Right? Have you experienced a cool wind, cool breeze, a storm? Yeah, the same thing happened. Now, for young children and for the old people, it will be very cool and they cannot tolerate such a cold wind and all. Right? So, one evening, what happened? When Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind blew and it whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly, Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. It's not sake, it's sake. Okay? It would be warm, it would warm me and do my old heart good. Right? Always heartbeat will be very slow for old people. For young child, it will be double the time. Okay, newborn babies will have an heartbeat of nearly 142 times per minute. I'm saying per minute. For adults, it was 72 times, right? And for old age people, it will be around 60 to 65, right? So this is a report given by the doctors, right? Now, can you able to understand the strong wind storm here? Right. This made Taro sadder than ever for the heartwarming drink called what is it? Sake. It was very expensive. How do I earn more money? He was so sad. How do I earn more money? He asked to himself. But how do I get a little sake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder, and the hardest than before. Right? So, once again, what his old father asked him, his old father wishes to have a sake. It is a drink. He felt that if he drinks that, he will feel better. That means his heart will work properly. That was a feeling of his father. And being a thoughtful son, his duty is to fulfill his wish, isn't it? Fulfill his father's wish. So, Taro was sadder than ever. For the heartwarming drink called sake, it was very expensive, but he is earning very little. How do I earn more money? He asked to himself. Whenever we are asking a question to ourselves, we will find the answer to that question. Solutions will automatically come to you. Whenever you are searching a question, okay, searches will give you solutions. That is nature, right? So now, is it clear for you? This slide is clear for you? Now we will see what is sake. Sake is a popular Chinese drink or Japanese drink. What drink? Japanese drink. Sake, the pronunciation is fa. See here, sa is pronounced like fa in father. So how we have to pronounce? SA has to be pronounced as fa, fa. Children, is that clear for you? SA has to be pronounced as FA in father. So, fa, fa, K, K, way, K, way, or va. So, sake. Sake has to be pronounced as sake. Right? Whenever you see the word SAKE, it is a popular Japanese drink. We have to pronounce it like sake. Is it okay? Children, is it clear? So, sake. Sake is a popular Japanese drink. Right? Is it clear, ma? Okay, good. So, whistled through. These are the synonyms in the lesson which we come across. Whistled through is passed through with the whistling sound. So, strong wind, whistled through. That is what is a line we read. So, it passed through with the wind, strong wind passed through with the whistling sound. Right? Cracks. Cracks is narrow opening. Small opening is there. In that opening, air will come. Wind will come inside. Now, you know sake. Now only we saw sake, a popular Japanese drink. Sa is pronounced like fa in father and K rhymes with way. Expensive, you know it is costly. Is it clear? Synonyms are clear for you? Right. So the next morning, what happened? Taro decided to work harder than ever, isn't it? So Taro jumped off out of the bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut. See, assume this is Taro now. Okay, just for your fun, I gave this picture. Earlier, waking up earlier, jumping out of the bed. So, that much active. See, he wants to fulfill his parents' wish. For that, the maximum what he can do, he's trying. For that, we have to give applause. We have to clap our hands for his thinking and his duty conscious hard work, right? Next morning, Taro jumped out of the bed. He is not waking up normally. He jumped out. That is why I took this picture. See, jumped out of his bed earlier than usual. That is why alarm is here. Earlier than usual. And made his way to the forest. He went to the forest. He chopped and cut the wood. So, very hard working personality. Now, why he is earning money? Why he is trying to earn money? Very good. So, to fulfill his father's wish. What is his father's wish now? To drink sake. Okay. What is sake? Sake is a Japanese drink. Is it costly? Is it expensive or is it cheap? It is very expensive. Okay. Is it clear? So, what happens? Now, he is in a position to work harder. Is it clear, dear? So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.